In many cases, it felt like late August or early September across parts of northeast Wisconsin today, with high temperatures up into the 70s. And we've got more warm days just ahead. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We will cool down a little bit tomorrow, but still very mild, upper 60s, lower to mid 70s on Friday and Saturday, and then progressively turning cooler as we head through next week. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that range from the upper 50s to the lower 70s. We have a lake-cooled 59 in Kewaunee. It is 60 in Manitowoc. And we're looking at lower 70s here north and west of the Fox Valley. It's currently 68 degrees in Appleton and in Green Bay. It is now mostly cloudy and 69. The winds are still quite gusty, but not nearly as strong as they were earlier today when we were looking at winds gusting consistently at around 30 miles per hour. We have a cold front now moving across central and northwestern Wisconsin. Out ahead of that front right now, we have an area of clouds, but that's it. We're just going to see some clouds and a wind shift throughout the evening hours, and then we'll see some cooler weather as we work into tomorrow. Temperatures across the central and northern plains running 10 to 20 degrees cooler today compared to yesterday. But even with that cool down, temperatures are still running above normal. We were looking at 70s, but off to the north and west behind the front, temperatures were still in the 60s, and those 60s are headed our way for tomorrow. So high temperatures have now been above normal 36 of 38 days. Tomorrow will be another one of those above normal days. Our normal high is right around 55 degrees. We're going to be looking at highs mainly in the mid to upper 60s. Skycast shows that frontal boundary moving across eastern Wisconsin throughout the evening hours. Will clear out later on tonight. High pressure will build back in tomorrow, and that means lots and lots of sunshine. The winds will be quite a bit lighter tomorrow compared to what we saw today, but still a bit breezy at times. Mostly clear skies tomorrow night, and then for Friday, as high pressure shifts off towards the east, our winds will turn to the south and west, and we will start to warm back up again, with highs getting back up into the lower and mid 70s away from Lake Michigan. North and west of the Fox Valley, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s, and 70s during the month of October are actually quite common. So far this year, we've had 6 days. Last year, we had 9 days. But you can see there have been several Octobers when we've had 4, 6, 8, 10 days with highs in the 70s or above. And Friday will be one of those days. Saturday is going to be another one. But then we're going to be looking at a significant pattern change as we head into next week. Much colder weather is going to come diving south out of Canada. And when you talk about cold weather this time of year, you often have to start talking about the first flakes of the season. And if you take a look at 4 of the last 6 years, you will find that our first flakes of snow for the season came during that last week of October. So your forecast for tonight calls for fair skies. Overnight lows will be in the mid 40s. Tomorrow, another nice day. High temperatures in the upper 60s. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 68. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to St. Vincent de Paul. We did that today. I forecast 70, and the actual high temperature was 71 degrees. By the time we get to Friday, southwest winds will warm us up into the lower and mid 70s just about everywhere. Once again, cooler near Lake Michigan. Low to mid 70s on Saturday, depending on how much sunshine we see before a significant cold front moves through. That front makes its way across the area late Saturday into Sunday morning with a good chance of some rain, maybe a rumble of thunder. Highs on Sunday will be in the lower to mid 60s, lower 60s on Monday, mid 50s on Tuesday, lower 50s on Wednesday. A chance for a shower each and every day as some weak systems move in from the north and west. And then it looks like even colder weather settles in for the end of next week, with the potential for highs across the upper Midwest only in the 30s and 40s.
You know, I like how you said flakes, though, not the S word, because once you say that, it's just all downhill from there.
We will try to avoid that word as long as possible.
Flakes,
but we're in that time zone now where we might have to say that word.
Too soon. All right, Cameron, thanks so much. Well, dozens of